Hi everyone, today is Thursday the 26th of August. The market experienced a little pullback and everyone seemed to panic, wondering if the crash coming and is that going to affect the real estate housing market. Hi, I'm Anti. I help a lot of people build wealth together with me over the years. And to me, instead of reacting to the market, anticipate as a leader. Here's some tips for you to expect what happened tomorrow. The Federal Reserve Chairman will be speaking tomorrow, and you need to pay attention to what he's going to do. Number one, if he's going to taper off anytime soon. If he doesn't, my gut feelings say that he needs more time. Then the market will hit all-time high. The S&P 500, the NASDAQ, everybody going to be cheering on Wall Street, okay? But if he start talking about tapering off, meaning that he will slow down on the repurchasing program on those debt, corporate T-bond, mortgage-backed security. Last year, 2020, the Federal Reserve have been purchasing $120 billion debt per month. And if he start talking about it's time for us to slow down on that, let's say from 120 to $90 billion debt purchasing program, then the market will slow down. The market won't like it a bit, but they're ready for it though. You will start experiencing a pullback on the S&P 500, the NASDAQ. But if he starts coming out and say we need to control inflation, which is going out of control, then we're in trouble. If they start telling that we need to take action to taper off on all this repurchasing debt, let's say March next year, and they drastically cut from $120 billion repurchasing plan to, let's say, half of it, like $60 billion, and then eventually down to zero, then the market won't like it. They will go 5 to 10% correction, and that won't be fun, okay? And how is that relevant to my real estate market? It does, because once the tapering off is done, interest rate will have to climb up. And when interest rate is going up, it will affect the real estate market. So that's why it's relevant to my profession. I'm not a financial advisor, but I've been helping a lot of people building wealth. So follow me to build wealth together. Thank you.